Whoa, what's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. This is Billy Dan, and in this video we're going to continue to meme coin number 4, and we're going to be looking at Bonk. Now, looking at the price of Bonk right now, it's sitting around 3,400. It's got a market cap of 2.2 billion, and in the last 24 hours it has traded over $300 million. We can see there's been a lot of price movement over the last year or so. So we're going to go check out the price on Bonk on the charts. But before we do that, let's quickly check out some info on Bonk. And Bonk is the dog coin of the people. Initially launched as a free airdrop to Solana communities on Christmas days in 2022, Bonk's adoption has since grown parabolically to emerge as the true community coin of Web3. We can see we have over 600,000 holders, and it's on at least 10 blockchains, and they're saying their mission is to become the #1 community coin in Web3, and they aim on achieving this through expanding their community and growing a list of integrations across multi-chains, DeFi, and gaming. Now, I can't access the official Bonk website as it is saying that my location's in the UK, and it's saying people in the UK are not allowed to access the Bonk website. Obviously, we can get around that, but I didn't have time to do it in this video, so I'll bring it back to you in an up and coming video. But still, even though we can't access the website, Bonk is available on Coinbase, Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, Jupiter, HTX, Crypto.com, BitGet, Gate.io, and many more crypto exchanges. So if you do want to get some Bonk, then it's very easy to get hold of. Now let's look at the price of Bonk on the charts. Let's look at the price action and where we could see price go to next. So we can see since last year, October 23, we've had significant price action. We can see that price pushed to the upside very heavily with a nice pump. Then we had a major pullback. Price found support around the 1,000 level, and then we see another pump to the upside in February that took us to just under the $5,000 level. Then we see a huge dump again, price finding support, and we're on our way back up again. So we can see that there's been a lot of volatility in Bonk. Now we are coming to the all-time highs at around 5,000. But we can see the price action is actually in an uptrend. So if the price can break above the previous high that we're looking at, then we can definitely see the trend continue, make a higher low, and then make another higher high to the upside. Now, as we can see, once Bonk makes a high, it has a massive pullback. We can see when it pushed up here, there was a massive pullback. When it pushed up here, there's a massive pullback. Now we're seeing another push to the upside. Are we going to get a nice pullback? And if we do get a nice pullback, that could be a great position to accumulate some Bonk. So I'd say around the 2,000 to the 2,005 level could be a good buy zone for Bonk if price does come back into this zone. And from this zone just to the previous highs, that would be around the 85% gain. Now, if the bull run does continue, I do expect Bonk to continue to higher prices, and we can see it is actually building up and curling up for a parabolic move to the upside. So let's zoom out and let's have a look at some of the price targets we've got for Bonk. Now, my first price target for Bonk will be, let's say, around the 9,000 level right here. And from where price is now, that would be around 150% gain. But if we wait for the pullback we was talking about, maybe down into the 2,500 level, and we get some buys down here, then our first target will then become a 235% gain. Now, looking at target number 2 for Bonk, we are looking around 15,000, and from where price is sitting at now, that would be around a 350% gain, and obviously much more if we pick up Bonk in the buy zone we was talking about. So we have target 1 and we have target 2. If we zoom out some more, then we also have our target 3, and that is sitting around 24,000. From where price is now, that is a percentage of around 600%. And if we look at our top price, then we can see that it's sitting around 37,000. And from where price is sitting now, 37,000 would be around 1,000% gain right into this level here. And that would be a 10x on Bonk from where price is now. But if we get it down in the buy zone at 2,500 area, then our top target becomes 1,300. Now there is possibility Bonk does even more than the 37,000, more than the 40,000, depending on how parabolic the move is. But if we expect to see price continue higher as we start heading to these targets, then I will be updating the community for higher price targets. So it's up to you how you play this. Like I said, preferably it'd be better to wait for price to pull back into that 2,500 level, but it might not. Price might just take off from where it is. So it's up to you, how do you want to play it? Do you want to buy some now, then buy some if it pulls back? Or do you think it's not going to pull back and it's going to continue up? Because I'm telling you now, when Bonk breaks these highs along here and starts getting above this 5,000 level, we're going to see Bonk start flying to the upside. So there's plenty of opportunities arising within these markets. If you haven't watched the top 5 meme coin video already, then go watch that now. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. This is Billy Dan. Until the next video,